Okay, welcome back. It's part 4 and a little bit of tricky calculations here. Okay, basically what we want to do is we want to be able to make the computer calculate the correct answer and then ask them for their answer. Okay, so we're going to use a variable, okay, called CompCalc, which is the computer's calculation, which is the correct answer, and we're basically going to say, okay, what's that number times a multiple, okay, set number to, and then we're going to compare it, okay, then we're going to compare the right answer. Okay, so how does that look? And you might need to wiggle down a little bit here. Let's go down a bit. Okay, so how does that work? Okay, I'm actually going to just pop it over here so you can see it. Okay, so the first thing to do is we want to set up the actual calculation for this. So we're going to go to data, okay, and we're going to set, okay, the answer, okay. Sorry, no, we're going to set the CompCalc. So what you're going to have to do, going back a step, just thinking about it, is you're going to have to create a variable called CompCalc. Okay, it may already, thinking about it, it may already be there because I created the program and then for you guys I took some of it out, so it may be there. Okay, what we want to do, whether you have to make it or it's already there, you have to set the CompCalc. Okay, so go to here, 2, and we need a little bit of a calculation, so we go into operators. Okay, we need to set it to a little calculation, and the actual correct answer that this is going to store, okay, is going to be the number that they've chosen. Okay, oopsie, the number that they've chosen multiplied by the multiple, isn't it? Okay, so if we just drag that in there, whoops, drag that in there. So we then drag that whole of that thing. So the computer's correct answer, okay, we want to set that to the number each time, because each time it asks you what 5 times 8 is, you're going to put an answer and it's actually going to check it for you. Okay, so we're going to set that to that. Okay, we're going to drag this code back in here in a moment, so I just want to show it to you a bit clearer. Okay, so we've set that up, and then we're going to ask, okay, ask the user, okay, what's your answer? Okay, so ask, okay, what is the answer? Okay, and wait. Okay, so ask what is user, and then we need to set their answer, okay, and make it another variable called answer. Okay, so we need to go back to set this. So a lot of setting. Okay, so set. Okay, you might need to create a new variable if it's not there. If you do, so set, if it is there, just use it. Set answer to. So the answer variable is going to be their answer, isn't it? Okay, so let's drag that in like that. All right, so set answer to answer. All right, so what we're doing here in summary is the computer's doing a bit of calculation in the background. It's then going to ask you what the answer is, and then it's going to set whatever that answer is to a new variable, and that actually gets dragged in here. All right, and that's all I want to do in this particular video. Okay, so now what we've done, we've got it actually going through 1 times this is, you know, it's this, it's in the background, it's the computer is calculating the correct answer, okay, and then it's asking for yours, and in a moment we're going to compare it to see if it's correct. All right, so that's the end of part 4. Thanks for watching.